ORCA series motors have 5 modes of operation: sleep mode, force mode, position mode, haptic mode, and kinematic mode. Today, we will show you how to get started with position mode. In our previous video, we introduced force mode, a mode in which the user controls the force output of the ORCA motor by inputting a desired target force. The motor will apply the target force to the shaft, independent of position. Position mode is another layer of control above force mode. The user inputs a desired end position for the motor's shaft, and the motor generates the required force to move the shaft to that position. ORCA motors are fully integrated. This means that all drivers, sensors, and controllers, including the position controller, are contained within the motor's chassis, requiring no external components to run. Before entering position mode, the user should make sure the shaft has been zeroed to a known position, either manually or through the auto-zeroing feature. To learn more about auto-zeroing your ORCA motor, watch our short tutorial linked below. To enter position mode, a serial connection is required. In this case, we are using a Modbus connection. Once in position mode, in the event of communications failure or other motor errors, the motor will cease all power draw and put the windings into a passive braking effect. In order to tune the PID controller, go to the Position/Kinematics page on Iris Controls. On the left, we can see the PID gains. Fmax is the maximum amount of force that the position controller will output, measured in millinewtons. P is proportional gain. I is integral gain. dV is derivative of velocity. And dE is the derivative of error. The green numbers are the active values. The white numbers are the staged setting. For example, if we want to increase the value for P, we change the staged setting to 1500. The active value does not change until we click Apply Tuning. Then the active value rises to meet the staged setting. Tuning will also be automatically applied when entering any position control mode. The amount of time the active value takes to rise depends on the soft start duration, which can be changed by the user in order to be faster or slower. In position mode, the internal PID control loop will always attempt to directly follow the last position command. This means a high-speed serial connection is essential for smooth position mode operation. Smooth position control can still be achieved with low-speed Modbus communication, or our in-house GUI, Iris Controls, using kinematic mode, which we will cover in depth in our next video tutorial. For more short video tutorials, visit our Iris Tutorials webpage or contact our team for further assistance.